Okay, what's up everybody? So, I started this video today because I have a crush. I have a new crush, and her name is Tabitha Brown. I'm sure many of you have seen her by now. I mean, she's all over social media. I came across her profile, I think it was like 3 or 4 months ago, right before the lockdown. And there's something about her voice that's so soothing. It's like Oprah's voice, you know?
Good evening, I'm Oprah.
My favorite things to eat if I'm not watching calories is a pulled pork sandwich. Here in LA, we have a restaurant called Wood Ranch. It's at the Grove. And they have one of the best pulled pork sandwiches ever. So, I decided that since my new crush, the new love of my life, Tabitha, I'm gonna get her recipe. For the meat, she uses oyster mushrooms. So you just kind of like shred them up like this. And who's that? Oh, it's Josh. We're just gonna meet that really quick. So she uses oyster mushrooms as her meat. I'm gonna use red onions, cilantro, red bell pepper. I'm gonna use a little shredded cheddar cheese. We're gonna top it off probably with some coleslaw. All right, so this one's gonna be easy. Tabitha also doesn't give like measurements because she goes, use whatever you want because that's your business.
Either way, that's my business.
Or she'll say, like so, like that.
Like so, like that.
Oh, just want to be her BFF. In a different world, she wouldn't be married. Maybe I wouldn't be married, and obvious gay. Thank you, Tabitha, for inspiring me to eat meatless. And also inspiring me to buy an air fryer and a food processor. So you're good for the economy. And congratulations to getting signed to CAA. Tell my friend Kevin I say, hey girl. So according to the video I saw, kind of brown this for 5 minutes and you add a little bit of liquid smoke, which gives it the meat flavor. That was 2 teaspoons. Some garlic powder. You could really never put too much garlic powder in it. It creates a more like a dense taste of the garlic. So don't be afraid of the garlic powder. Red onion, cilantro. Look at it. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Gotta do fresh squeezed lemon. All right. I don't know how you open up your brioche buns, but this is how I'm gonna do it. Whoops.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But probably has another minute, then we add our barbecue sauce. It's like summer in Texas.
Wish I was back in Texas.
Alrighty. So I think our meat is done. Got our little brioche bun. This is some coleslaw for the crunch. So, I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm nervous, because if I don't like it, that might affect my, my newfound relationship with my girl Tabitha. So, let's get it from this side with all the good stuff. Let's see. How is that possible? Hold on. The oyster mushroom, probably because the barbecue sauce and liquid smoke, it actually tastes like pulled pork. What? I was 50% sure I was not gonna like this. This is really good. Well, I guess you have to like barbecue sauce, that's one. But the crunch from the coleslaw and the way that the sauce and liquid smoke with the oyster mushroom, it tastes like pulled pork. You know, I'm being good to our world and good to my body, and I'm just putting, you know, a little bit of carbohydrates in there. And I'm not even having alcohol. Come on. Listen, that's my job for today. That's what I was bringing here. And that I'm gonna start trying to eat less meat. So let's see like what I can make next. If you try this, let me know. If you like the video, hit the like button. You can comment, and you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, I'm gonna go Google some more recipes and or find out what Tabitha's cell phone number is. I'll start DMing her, texting her, be like, girl, give me some more recipes. Until next time, thanks for watching.